Hey, are you a music lover? Do you like to listen to music wherever you go? But you get really annoyed by the tangled wires of your earphone. People might have suggested you to get a neckband, but you're confused which one you should buy and which one will be right under your budget. Do not worry, you are in the right place. I have picked the best ones for you. Let's get into our video to find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Purvika Mobiles. Let me tell you what are the best 5 neckbands available for you under 1500 rupees. 1. Connect Bounce 5 neckband. This neckband comes with Bluetooth version 5 technology and it has 16 hours of playtime, and you can use it for such long time without any discomfort as it is built for comfort in your fit. It has 10mm dynamic drivers, which means you get pretty good HD sound quality. If you want to switch between your calls and your music, you just have to press one button. If you're a bass lover, you will enjoy this as it has heavy bass. Apart from all this, it also does passive noise cancellation. With all these features, its MRP is 3999. But how much do you think Purvika is selling it for? 799 only. Go check it out. Number 2. Fingerstick BT5 neckband. It is a lightweight neckband with magnetic angular earbuds which will securely fit into your ear. It has 3 buttons and a mic which will help you control your music as well as your calls with ease. And guess what? You can enjoy your morning jogs. It has sweatproof technology. Do you need more reasons to buy this one? Let me tell you, Fingers is an Indian company and it is also India's first Bluetooth neckband with fast charging support. 5 minutes of charge time will get you 2 hours of playtime. If fully charged, you will get 10 hours of playtime. Amazing, right? How much do you think its rate is? 1999. But how much do you think Purvika is selling it for? 1299 only. Number 3. Lenovo HE05 neckband. It is a silica gel neckband which will stay close to your neck for secure fit. It also has magnetic suction buds which will snap together neatly to avoid tangles. It has 10mm dynamic drivers, which means it produces pretty good quality stereo music with extra bass. It also has effective inbuilt mic for noise cancellation. It has low consumption rechargeable battery which gives you a standby time of approximately 120 hours, and its playback time is 8 hours. This product also has 20 meters transmission distance, which I personally tried and enjoyed the stable connection. One more thing I loved about this product is its dual audio feature, which means you can connect both your phone and your laptop concurrently. With all these exciting features, this product's MRP is 1999, but at Purvika we sell it for 990 only. Product number 4 is Redmi Sonic Bass Wireless Earphones. As the name suggests, bass lovers are going to enjoy this product. This product has IPX4 splash and sweat-proof technology, so you can sweat it out at gym without worrying too much that you'll spoil your earphones. The impressive feature of this product is its dual mic, which does environmental noise cancellation, so the person on the other side of your phone can hear you crisp and clear. Other feature of this product is its dual pairing multi-point connection. I connected both my laptop and my phone simultaneously and I switched between them easily. If you are thinking about its playback time, it's 12 hours and you'll get reminded at 20% to charge your neckband. It's cool, right? The other important feature of this product is its multifunction button, which helps you control your calls and music and also your voice assistant at one click, be it Alexa, OK Google or Siri. With all these features, this product's MRP is 1599, but at Purvika we sell it for 1299. Product number 5 is Boat Rockers 238. Who doesn't love Boat? This cool looking model has IPX5 water resistance and sweat resistance. I charged this neckband for 20 minutes and I got playback time of 4 hours. It's amazing, right? Because it got fast charging technology. If fully charged, you'll get 8 hours of playback time. It has 10mm dynamic drivers which will help you get pumped up with your music. Do you worry that you'll miss your calls? You don't need to. This product has call vibration alert. You'll be alerted as soon as you get a call. This product also has integrated controls of one-press voice assistant. Be it OK Google or Siri, you'll get easy access. Pretty cool, right? With all these features, its MRP is 2990, but at Purvika, we sell it for 1299 only. That's it, I'm done. Did you make your choice? What are you waiting for? Go to the official Purvika's website and place your order. The link is below. If you really like this video, like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular tech updates. See you soon.